Welcome to Interview Talks.
Hello guys, in this video I am discuss about job in Mindtree, a L&T group company. Mindtree will conduct mega off-campus drive in 2021. This year company will plan to hire many students who are willing to get job through off-campus. This is one of the good opportunity. So watch this video till end. In this video I am discuss about eligible criteria, how to fill application form. Before go to this, if anyone still not to apply off-campus jobs, Deloitte, IBM, Wipro, Infosys, I am provide those video links in description. For more updates about off-campus jobs and interviews, subscribe our channel. Let's start the discussion. The company assigned role to students is software engineer. Let's see the eligible criteria. We invite 2021 engineer graduates meeting the following criteria to apply. BE BTech 2021 pass out batch, CSE, IT and circuitral branches only. Circuit branches means electrical and electronics and communication, electronics and instrumentation branches are eligible to this drive. Minimum grade criteria of 60% across 10th, 12th and graduation. Please check your details before the final submission. Do not submit incorrect false data. Before to fill application form, once check the job description. Compensation and benefits 4 lakh per annum. Designation software engineer. Competency band CI. Let's see the eligible criteria. Graduation BE BTech 60% or 6.0 CGPA and above in BTech 10th and 12th. Backlogs. No backlogs during the onboarding. Educational gap. No education break during engineering degree. Eligible branches. IT streams. Information science, computer science. Circuit streams. Electronics and communication, electrical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and instrumentation, electronics and telecommunication. Hiring process. Aptitude test. Hiring process. Aptitude test and coding test in online. Technical discussion and HR interview through virtual. There are many learning programs in Mindtree. There are pre-joining learning program and post-joining learning program. In pre-joining learning program, access to curated technical courses on Urbit Mindtree learning platform. Access to MS Teams collaboration platform. Practice problems, code walkthrough by lead intervention to answer technical queries. In learning program imparted online skill specific 90 days learning plan, mix of classroom and self learning approach. Post joining learning program. Access to 2200 plus technical and self development courses. Manager approval not required for 101 level courses. Upskills based on business requirement through instructor led 201 level project shadowing 301 level courses. If you are interested, I am provide this registration link in description. You can click on apply. You are redirecting to details page. Let's see how to fill the application form. Click on registration link. In application form title, Mr. Mrs. Other, first name, last name. You should enter your correct email ID, mobile number, date of birth. Enter your university roll number. What is your qualification? BE, BTech or other. Engineering college name, engineering college state, engineering college district or town name. Engineering stream. You are from which branch? Year of passing 2020, 2021 or other. Based on the information provided by your college, which month will your final year exams get over? May, June, July, August, September, October, unknown. If you don't know the information, you should click on unknown. Do you have arrears in engineering? No. Yes, already written exam awaiting results. Yes, awaiting exam dates from college. If you have any backlogs, you should mention. Otherwise, click on no. Graduate overall percentage. 12th standard percentage, 10th standard percentage. Do you have any educational gap during engineering 12th standard and 10th standard? Do you have a dedicated laptop during your virtual learning period? If you have laptop, you should mention. Otherwise, you click on no. Are you open to being deployed to any mandatory location in India post your learning program? Click on yes or no. Do you have a valid PAN card in your name? Do you have a valid Aadhaar card in your name? How would you rate yourself in any of the object-oriented programming languages? If you are beginner, you should choose beginner. Otherwise, you should mention intermediate or expert level. Choose your favorite programming language. Pick your top two. If you are interested in any two of these programming languages, you should click on. Have you participated in hackathons or coding competitions till date? If you are participating in any hackathon, you should click on yes. Otherwise, no. After fill all the details, you should click on submit. You get confirmation mail from company will soon. For more updates about off-campus jobs and interviews, subscribe our channel. Thank you.